Hi, and welcome to the AI Agent tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to use the latest features AI Scene Match and AI Asset Recommendation to adjust lighting, post-processing, and environment settings through simple conversation. Let's start with this initial scene as an example. You'll find the entry point to the AI agent next to the asset library. Once its panel is open, you can click AI Scene Match to get started. Here, you can choose from 3 prompt presets provided by D5, or type your own prompt in the chat box to describe the atmosphere you're aiming for. The AI agent will capture the current scene and, based on your prompt, generate optimization suggestions along with a reference image. From there, you can continue chatting with the AI to refine the reference image step by step until it matches exactly what you have in mind. Once the AI generates a reference image you're happy with, simply click Apply Atmosphere beneath the image. AI Agent will automatically adapt the lighting environment and adjust post-processing settings to help recreate the mood shown in the reference image as closely as possible. You can also click Recommend Assets, similar to those in the reference image. Based on the AI-generated reference image, AI Agent will suggest related assets from the D5 asset library, such as people, animals, plants, and scatter presets. You can place or scatter these assets directly into your scene by clicking their thumbnails. If you want more control, click the icon in the top right corner of a thumbnail to locate the asset in the asset library, where you can use additional tools. Beyond using AI-generated reference images, you can also upload your own reference images using the attachment button in the chat box. AI Agent will analyze the image and recommend related assets from the D5 asset library. You can also describe what you need in words, for example, asking the AI to recommend outdoor furniture. The AI agent will then suggest assets that match your description. If you'd like to explore even more options, click the D5 Works button, where you'll find a wider selection of high-quality assets that you can apply with just one click. Adjust lighting via chat. And that's not all. You can also use conversation to let the AI agent help you fine-tune lighting and other parameters. For example, you can say, increase the light brightness and adjust the color temperature to a warmer tone. The AI agent will then apply those changes consistently to the lights already in your scene. If you want to adjust a specific light instead, click the arrow button, select a light in the scene, and then start chatting with the AI agent. From that point on, all instructions will apply only to the selected object. The AI agent can do much more than what we've shown here, and there's plenty more for you to discover. That completes our tutorial. Thanks for watching.